all the ones I love, and I think I really love them. They don't understand that it's just a little of them. Just a little of them. Everybody feeling me. Give me the house. Everybody looking at me. And now you do my weapons in the point. So you said look at that. So you gotta think you just like me. Anybody's a bitch. You always want G when I'm out.
Yo, I'm sorry guys, I captured this so late, man, but you know, I was a little tired and had to get this video in. I got the 415s in. Like I told you, I wanted the MCM 15s for like a loud mid bass, which I'm getting. And then I got 2 other 15s in the trunk. I'll reveal what they are, man, as soon as I get everything the way I want it, or my wiring done and get it cleaned up on the inside. Then I'll let you guys see what it is. And you guys are going to be surprised. Another set of underdogs. That's right. Another set of underdog songs that you know niggas be crackling on. But I'm here to bring all that shit to life. So you guys stay tuned for some more action tomorrow. Peace.